All right, the record is on progress. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, now we come back again, right? So now we're getting more challenged now. So from the last project, we did add two remote office, right? So now we have a Maryland and also we have a Chicago, and also we complete these two remote site, everything, access to the headquarter and also able access to the remote, the colo also, right? And also we already testing the internet also. So let's go back to the Chicago switch in here. So yep, this is from last time. If we ping it again 8.8.8, you see, we should be able to go out to the internet, right? So either, but this internet, same thing, you see, if we show from the IP, show IPVGP, the default route, you see, is learning from the MPLS. So that is mean you can see the traffic is going through from the topology here. See, the traffic is going through the Verizon and then come to the H router from the headquarter, and then it depends, right? We have a two layer internet provider in here. One is the via Verizon, one is the Comcast. So either one, which one is the way the preferred? Okay, so now, okay, we're getting challenged now, right? Because for example, this is just like a case study, it's like scenario. So what happened if the MPLS go down in here, all right? So that is mean, is MPLS go down in here? So now, so by say for example, we have a like snow happen the last week, something like that. We got like a outage, right? So the remote office now they report they cannot access to the data, right? They cannot access to the server, to the headquarter. Also, they cannot access to the remote. So what is the solution? So nothing. So until we have to be restore the MPLS, right? And then they can able. Then that is mean like see that is mean like we only have one WAN link in here, right? So now, okay, so what is the solution now for this remote office, right? Because we got complaint, and then from the up level management level, the question from the IT, they come to our boss, right? The boss is questioned again on us. We have to be reviewed for our design. Okay, so now they agree because like we have an outage now, they get more budget now, so that's why on we on purpose in here like a case study. So that is mean we order, right? Because we order another internet, like local internet, or maybe they have a Comcast also in Chicago. So we call, same thing again. We put the order. So now finally we get approved, right? So now we install in the Chicago. So we have an install internet router in here. All right. But most of this internet router, we can use the ASA firewall or checkpoint or parallel firewall, something like that. But in this, because we're not ready yet for the demo for the firewall, so in this case, we focus about using the Cisco router here. Just pretend this is like internet router. Okay, so we have a firewall access list, net everything again, the same thing like duplicate from the headquarters. So now we review again. Yeah. So now the traffic is here, right? So at least, say for example, if something go down this link, so this remote office, right? They still can go out to the internet through their local internet. Here, this is the local. Or sometime like maybe when they can go to local internet, maybe they can dial in like maybe like because we in our server here we have a like a remote VPN client like F5 or ASA, something like that, right? We support like VPN for the remote users, no? So they can, in this case, for example, they can go out to the internet through the local and then they log into the VPN and then they can access back to our headquarters, right? or we have an internet router in here, right? So maybe we can try to make it like a tunnel, right? That's we call DMVPN. So from here and also from this router in here, can we crossing the internet, right? Maybe can we create a VPN in here, like DMVPN? So we create a tunnel. So and then we can like route the BGP, those kind of stuff. Okay. So that is mean all the traffic go through the tunnel, the VPN tunnel. Everything come into here. So this is very interesting. So this is the real production. You see, as we how we like to try to make a cover, make it all the network connectivity, we become a sinless, right? So make sure we have to be support to our end users, to be a happy. Okay, let's do quick first in here, right? So let's just repeat again. You see in here. Let's we create the turn up first the internet router in here. Let's go back to here. So we have a internet router. So we have a Chicago internet router in here. Okay, when we show quick in here, show IP interface brief. So we have nothing yet, right? See, we have no IP yet. You see? Oh no, this is wrong. I should be logging on this one. Yep. So show IP interface brief. Yep. You see? Nothing. Just we just have only two interface. One go to here and one go to here. Now this is interesting in here because we're going to use the same BGP AS number with this router. So that is mean this link in here when we pair the BGP. Now we're going to be IBGP. Okay, you have to understand what is the like eBGP and what is the IBGP. So in this lab we can demo what is the IBGP. Okay. So let's go back to the command line again. So let's basic again. We have to be configure all the IP address again in here. So now we same thing again. We have to be config key. So let's configure the outside the public interface first. 0/1. So this is going to be used 68.81.2.0. So IP address so 68 and then 81 and then 2. So we make it this one is like we put this one as 1 in here, so this is 2. Okay, we make a 2 in here. So 255, 255.0. Okay, and the same thing again, split 100, duplex, like duplex full, right? No shutdown, you see. So one interface is up. And then now we go to the connect directly to our Chicago MPLS router. So we have an extra here, like port interface on this router. So this is F0/1. So we're going to using the IP address. So we're going to try to using the /30 for this one, like 192. Okay. So let's go back to here again. So this is the IP address. Okay, and then this is 192, 168.254 in this case. So we put this one 255, 255, 2, no, 252. Okay, so now same thing again, speed again 100, duplex, full, and then no shutdown. You see? Okay, so now we have two interfaces up already. So now we go back to Chicago MPLS router in here. We're going to show IP interface brief. So we go back to another additional interface in here. We go to config key. So we have only one available. Should be this one. Okay, and the same thing again. Split 100 first. Duplex, full, and then IP address. This should be 192, 168.254.1, 255.255.252. Okay, because it's /30, and then say no shutdown. Okay, so now, okay, let's go back to the internet router again, Chicago internet router. So let's exit out here first. Let's just make sure we can ping our neighbor, right? So we go to ping the Chicago MPLS router first, 254. Because we assign it 2, so we should be ping .1. Really? Really? We failed already? Okay, so we failed already. Unbelievable. Okay, so what? Okay, so how about the Kanka side? Okay, so let's ping the Kanka side. So ping 68. Oh, the Kanka side, I think we didn't have a. Okay, let's go back here again. Show IP interface brief again. First, yep, this is not yet. So we're going to configure this one also. Okay, so speed 100. Speed 100. Did I get? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a second. Not allow me? Hmm, interesting. Let me see. Hold on. Did I configure correctly? In the frame, yeah, I think in the frame this level, right? Oh, this maybe this router, different router. I cannot hard coding. Let me see again. Speed. No, this command. Ah, interesting. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. Let me see if I leave it alone for now. So something that we maybe we order the wrong interface now. See, maybe we have another issue. Let's say we assign it first. This one is 58. Dark. Let's see 81. Dark 2. Dark 1. 255. 255 dark 255 dark 0. Right? And then say no shutdown. Let's see. Yep. You see something wrong because the food duplex issue. Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me hard coding first in here. Duplex food. See is complaint or not. Hopefully it's not complaint. Show IP interface again. Interface brief. Yeah, it's up and up. Now can we ping the other side from here? 6881. Dark 2, dark 2. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so we fail. We fail. It's not like we failed already in the hardware. Unbelievable. Look at that. Let's double check again. Verify what's wrong now. So this is the F1/1, right? This is here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is F1/1, and then this one is the F0/1. So why this not happy? Let me see. Okay. So what else? So IP in the free brief. Hmm. Yep, it's up. Okay, let me see. Show run interface F1/0. Just make sure, do we have a typo? Anything issue? No. Nope, it's a /24 network. Let's go back to the Chicago internet router. So the Chicago internet router. Okay, so we already fixed that one. Let me see again in here. Show interface brief. Oh, oh, no wonder. This one we didn't configure it yet, you see? Oh, come on, okay. Oh, okay. So, all right, that's good. That should be simple enough. Let's go back to here then. we, we I thought we did assign already. Okay, not big deal. Say, okay, so 10 dot. This should be 68. 81 dot 2 should be dot 2. 255, 255, dot 255 dot 0. So make sure we want to be two-pack full, and then that the other side not allow the speed, right? Hard code for the speed. Let's leave it alone for now without the speed. Okay. So maybe Octo negotiate. Hopefully they're happy. Okay. So now see the interface is up here. So now show IP interface brief again. Show IP interface brief. So now can we ping the other side, the contest internet router 252, and then there should be dark 1. Come on. Oh, Sound like didn't happy, huh? That's not good. So this is I think that should be easy enough. Because last time remember because we're using different iOS, right? Why is always something? Let's do again in here. Let me see the label in here. What is the label in here? Yeah, this is the label. So I should be able to configure hard code 1/0, and then the speed. Why I don't have the speed option? In this one here, I have speed option. Let's just go back to here again. Interface F0/0. Oh wait a second. Did we get reverse? Oh this. Oh wait a second. Look at it here again. Okay, so this one should be F0/1, and then this one is facing here. Oh, so we might be facing the. Let's double check here. Okay, so this is the yeah, it's the F0/0 go to Chicago Internet router, right? Oh, so we got reverse. So that's why see we got reverse. So this one it should be facing this side, right? So this one it should be facing this side. Ah, okay. So that's the explain, right? Hopefully that is a see. We have to be always sorry because maybe we take so many day off, didn't come back to the lab again. Okay, let's let's refresh again. Okay, so now interface. Now make sure again we correct this one here F0/0. This one here. This one should be IP address should be 192.168.254.2 and then 255.255.252. Oh, it's overlapping. What do you mean overlapping? What do you mean? Oh, because I have to remove this one first. No IP address. Oh, come on. Sorry. No, sorry. See, I maybe is still happy with the Super Bowl yesterday. Do you watch Super Bowl yesterday? All right. So this is. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. All right. Let's start over again. It's the best way to say no IP address here. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's same thing in here again. All right, so we clear. This is the best way, say. So this is the best way here. We say no IP first in here. So we clear everything again now. When we do show run IP interface brief, no do show IP interface, right? Now now it's no IP address. Okay, so completely no IP. Okay, we start over again now. So interface, make sure we grab the right one here, F0/0. Okay, so we grab this one first. Maybe we can just put a description, it's better. So always sometimes description is really help, Like description, this is connect to inside, okay? You can say inside MPLS router. Yes, yeah. Okay, and then we're going to be assigned IP address 192.168.254. So we want to make the dark 2 in here, 255.255.252. Okay, so hopefully this is good. And then same thing, yeah, speed 100, you see, super cool. So here we allow it, you see. Here we allow using the speed 100. Okay, so now exit output in here first. Now we're going to be another interface here. This is facing the Comcast router. So we can put the description again. This is connect to Comcast router. Okay, so we're going to have the IP address in here. You're going to be 6881.2.2. This one 255.255. Because we're using this one, we're using /24, so 24. Okay, so we can say no shutdown. Okay, so let's save it first for this one. And then we show IP in the free brief. Just make sure we have correctly. Okay, so now F0/1. This is here with the 68 correct IP address, and then F0/0 facing to the MPLS router. We're using 192.168. That's beautiful. Okay, so we take care about the Chicago Internet router. So now we go back to the MPLS router here, right? So what is, make sure we have it correctly in here. So this one we're using the 254. Oh, we're using 4.1 in here, up, right? So now we should be able to ping now. 192.168.254.2. Just make sure. Come on. Did I configure it wrong again? Oh, I think we got override. I should we grab the wrong one. So F1/0, it should be facing here. Yeah. Look at that here. Now we lost the IP. So now we should be lost the BGP in here also. Oh, that's not good, you see. That's just very, yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. You see, that is not good, you see. Right? So now we mess up everything. See, we mess up everything. Oh, but this one we didn't. Let me see which one I save it here. Which one I save it? This one I just write. Okay, so this one I didn't save it yet. Good thing I didn't save it yet. You see, if I didn't save the configuration, right? So this is the same thing in here. We just try to quick, to reboot the power off, right? Unplug the power. Let's perform in here. See, another demo for you. See, sometimes if you got before you save the configuration, right? You want to make sure everything is working fine. If something goes wrong like this, if something that no choice, right? We can just see, we didn't save the configuration. We just add or we just modify. So now maybe this we just stop it. You see, that is mean same thing like we unplug the power. All right, so now we're going to like power cycle. So we're going to plug the power back again. So we start the router again. So now we come back again to here. Let's go to the console again. Okay, so now we have so this is the old section in here. So now okay, see the router is reboot now. Okay, so the router is reboot. So now we show IP in the face again. Yeah, so we should have so we still have a correct configuration, you see, and then we should have the IP BGP up now. Yeah, you see, it's active. It's just waiting. Okay, it's just waiting. So make sure everything's good. Yeah, see, good is up now. Okay, good. Oh my goodness, you see, right? So be careful. That's what I'm saying. But lucky this is in our like simulator in our lab. No, that's why when you do whatever when we do in the production, in the real production, you see, you have to be careful. You have to be 100%. Maybe you have to configure the correct router, and also you have to configure the correct interface. You see, otherwise this is a good demo. See, we sometimes like if we make something mistake, and then we're going to cause more troubleshooting. Okay. So let's go back to here now. So we go back to config key. So this time, okay, we want to grab the correct one. You see, okay, this one right now we are in the MPLS router. So this is the interface F0/1 is connected to F0/0. So interface, we should grab this one. Okay, this is a 0/1. You see. Okay, just make sure again. So this is this is assign. We grab the correct label. Okay, good. Now this is good. So now we go to connect again. This is 2. Connect connect to like internet router. You see? Okay, so that should be good enough. So this should be 192.168.254. I forgot again what we use for this one. Let's go back to the internet router. So that one we use dark 2. Okay, so in here, so we should be use dark 1. Okay, so 255, 255, dark 255, dark 252. Okay, we hit enter. Same thing again in here. Speed 100, loopback full, and no shutdown. You see? Okay. So now, okay, good now. Okay, it's up now. Okay, so now let's see again. Show in IP interface brief. Make sure everything's good. Yeah. So now this time we assign the IP address correctly on this interface. Okay. So now can we ping the other side now? 192.168.254.2. Come on. Give me beautiful. See now it's working. You see? All right. Once the configuration everything correctly, see, now we should be able to ping from here to here. All right, let's go back to this side now. So we go back to the Comcast router first in here. So the Comcast router, just verify again, the Comcast router F1/0, it should be this IP address, right? And then this one is the F0/1. Let's go back to the internet router again. We show IP interface brief. Okay, so we already show, yeah, we already have one in here. Okay, let's ping again in here. Is good or not? 68.81.2.1. Yeah, beautiful. See now it's working. Same thing in here, right? Same thing in here. See, if we exit out, can we ping 68 the neighbor 81.2.2? Beautiful. Okay, so now everything's working fine this time. Okay, so now we can go ahead now, save it first, the configuration, just in case we lost again, you see. Now, once we confirm all the configuration is good, then we can save it. We can write the configuration. Okay, so now we already make this one. We make this one is up, right? So now we would like to let's take care of this here first, right? Because this is an internet router. Remember, we need to enable the NAT in here, right? Because we need to because we same thing we need to. Let me. Hopefully, I can. Hopefully, I didn't grab the wrong router. No, this router should be able to do it. Let me see again. Config here again. So this is the F0/1. This one here. This is 0/1. You see, this is /1 in here. So I need to say I need the net here. You see, IP net enable, right? You see, beautiful. Okay, good. Yeah, hopefully, I don't know if that is error or maybe that is good. Or maybe that's just something allocated for the memory. Okay, so hopefully this is good. So now I'm going to assign, remember, what is the net? IP net. So this is going to be facing outside, right? So we're going to be say outside. Oh, come on. Don't tell me this router is not support. Let me see again. Show run interface. F0/1. Yeah. Ah. Hmm. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. All right, let's hold on. Show run. Let me grab first. No, right now it totally crashed the router. You see, I cannot do it. I cannot do any more. All right, that's not good. Right, so we can because we cannot do the NAT in here. So let me see here. So let's turn off this one first here. There's always something. I forgot. We should have the. Let me see here. Stop. So let's go back to the net router. What net router we using the router in here? This is the router. Oh, this is 7200. Okay. So how about this one here? 37. Okay. That's maybe the reason. So let's do like this. Okay. So I'm going to remove this one. So we're going to delete this one. So now let's go back to grab the correct router. So this may be the higher router. Can support the IP net. Okay. So now we're going to be say change the host name first. We're going to be say US and then the state and then Chicago internet router 1, something like that. Okay, so now we have the router again. So now can we run the cable again? So we're going to be run the cable again, this one to here. Oh, no interface. Okay, hold on. So we need to go back to here. We need to add the slot, right? Yeah, we need to add the slot. Oh, which one should be add? Okay, so maybe how many interface I want? Let me see if I add this one. Is this a 2 or not? So because I just need 2 interface. Okay, let's see here. Apply. Let's OK first, and then let's quick power up. I just want to make sure how many interface map. So let's quick cancel it first. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now here show IP interface brief. Yeah, good. So we have okay, so we have 2 here. That's good. All right, so we continue now. Let's map the cable now. So we connect the cable here. Let's go back to here, and then we're using this one, and then this one go to here. Should be this one also, right? So now we have this one here. We have this one here. So this one here. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go back to here again. Let's go back to let's do quick here. Okay, so we internet router in here. First thing before we do the IP address, we just want to make sure are we able to do the NAT. Okay, so let's F0/0. We grab this one first here. This is the IP. This is the interface. Interface. Okay, so we want the IP NAT enable. Hopefully this time is working. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so now we say IP net outside is working too. Beautiful. Okay, so this is beautiful, this router. Okay, so now we can go ahead assign IP address here. So IP address again should be like 68.81.250 no dot 2.2, right? So 255 dot 255 dot this is /0. Okay, so let's exit out first for now. So now we go back to F0/1. Okay, so that is the IP net inside. Okay, IP net inside. See, and then we want the same thing again. IP net. No, IP net enable. Okay, so then IP address. This must be 192.168.2.2.255.255.255.252. Okay, so now exit out in here first. Show IP interface brief here. Show IP interface brief. Okay. Oh, I didn't run this no shutdown. Okay, so go back again. So F0/0 here, no shutdown. F0/1, no shutdown. Okay, so now that we have our interface up now. Okay, so now can we ping the neighbor now? 68.81.2.1. First ping we testing. Beautiful. Now we ping the 192, 168.254.1. Beautiful. Okay, so now I save it again first now. Okay, so now we just change the router to advanced to enhanced router. Okay, can able to do the NAT in here. So we have a NAT in here. Okay, so let's bring here. See, we duplicate here because this NAT is mean like internet router. Okay, so we have internet router. All right, so we have a layer one. So we have a layer one, layer two connectivity in here. So we're good now. So now we want to do we want to use the in here, right? How, because this is the layer. So for example, in here we're using the BGP, right? Okay. I don't know this router. Do we sometime from the remote office like that? They it's like a small box like Comcast like that, with their router like that. That maybe they're not allowed using the BGP. You know what I mean? They're not allowed using the BGP. So what that means is, so now in this case, okay, then we and also we pretend it's a ASA five like ASA firewall. Okay, so we just send the default route in here. Instead, we're using the BGP. So we use static default route in this case. Okay, so now we go back to here first. So for this router here, you see, for this router here, first thing, this router, the Comcast router, need to advertise this network, right? So we go back to the, because we need to get the return traffic. So we go back to the Comcast router. First thing we need to advertise this network to the rest, right? Because the Google have to be known for this network, right? So now the Comcast router, so we screen the Comcast router here, right? This is the Comcast router. So because we have a show run section BGP. Okay, so we go back to here now. So we ask the Comcast here to advertise the 68 that network. So it's mean the whole world, so we know how to come back the return traffic, right? So we're going to say network 68.81. 68.81.2.0. So the message should be take 255.255.255.0. Okay, so now we advertise this network now. So we save it again. So now we in this case here, we go back to here now. So because we don't have a BGP, right? To learning everything, the default route, something like that. So now in this case, we have to be just static manually, the same thing that our firewall. Okay, we have to have a default route. So that is mean say config key in here, IP route. So what is the default route? It's a 00.0. So that's the default route. So we on the next hop sending to 81.2.1. You see, this is the default route. You see, so now, so for example, now, do you think I should be able to ping 8.8.8 Comcast here? It should be working. Beautiful. Look at that, because we have the default route. Nice. Okay, so that is mean. See, now we prove it. This Chicago internet router able to go out to the internet to ping 8.8.8 to Google DNS server. So now the internet for this link is working. Okay, so now that is the great news, right? It's a good sign. So we have an internet connectivity now. So now, how